Welcome to this beautiful video today. Today we shall deal with how you can install R and RStudio on your device. R is a very powerful software package, or if you like, your quality programming language that we can use to perform complex data analytics for what we refer to as big data. That is data running into millions or millions of cases. That means millions of rows. So to install R on RStudio, the first thing you need to do is to go and check your computer to know if it is a 64-bit computer or 32 bits. To do that, you click on your this folder icon and go to this PC. In my own case, some people's phone might have computer. There you right click on that icon, the one that says this PC. Then you click on properties. Wait for it a few seconds so that it can reveal to you the type of PC that you have got. Okay. So take a look at the device specification for this particular PC. That's my name over there. The install RAM is 6.8 and 8.0, and then 7.88 is usable. And system type, it says 64-bit operating system. So that is what you need to know about your device. And you go over to the internet, and then you type, let's say you type RStudio download, or let's say something like that. Now this first link that opens up here, let's click on it and see what it does. If it will take us to the correct space where we can download both R and RStudio. If you have not accepted the keys and you're interested in accepting the keys, you can do that. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the two files that you need to download. Hit on download R for it to install, for it to download in your computer. When that is done, you also hit on download studio for desktop, RStudio desktop for Windows. And if along the line it prompts you for the type of device that you have, you will properly notify it that you have, in my case, a Windows 10. And if you're having a Mac device, download your Mac device. And if it is Ubuntu, you do that for whatever device that you have. There are various kinds and types of devices over here. So it is the file that is meant for those that you should download. It will take a few minutes, and after you have done that, when you come to the list of programs you have, in my case I'm not going to re-download it because I already have those two files or two programs on my device. Now if you have done that, you will see for R, I've got R here, see R, and then RStudio, I only have RStudio. Then you Then get over to your list of programs. You will not need to necessarily open up the R, but you definitely will need to open up RStudio. So when I click on RStudio, wait a few seconds. RStudio opens up. When it opens up, you are going to find a blank script like this one. This is called the console. This is the area where you write your code. And this is the console where all the codes that have been processed will be displayed. Now over here you have where your files, your plots, your packages, and so on. This place is called the viewer. That you when you run your codes that you have various kinds of plots or charts, they will be displayed over here. If you want to check the packages you have in R, you click on packages and it will open up. They will pop up over here. It's taking a few seconds to do so. And while we're waiting, I need to also show you that R runs on various packages which are known as libraries. So these are the list of if you want me to read what I have, let me ask it to find me later. And okay, good. So when you need to install any package, you go over here to tools and then install packages. Packages such as tidyverse. Okay, see that. You need to also install this. This is the library that you need to do your data analytics work, most likely from beginning to the end. Of course, we may need a few more. Any of those ones that we require will let you know so that you can install it. So you click on install and then wait a few seconds or a few minutes, and your package or library gets installed. Yes, if this is the first time you have encountered my videos, I would like you to please hit the subscribe button. Also note that I have a class coming up, or I will have a class that will run, master class that will run for a period of 5 weeks as part of my community development projects, a project that I put in place to give back to the society. It's a free data analytics training course, so you can invite your friends, share this video with them, let them pre-install these 2 packages on their devices before we jump into our training, which is starting on February 4th by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the class. Bye.